Hello everyone, welcome to Learn or Recall. Today I am going to share about inspiring personality who is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. On January 23rd, India celebrates Parakram Divas to honor the life and legacy of Subhash Chandra Bose, one of the most fearless leaders in India's struggle for independence. Born in 1897, Netaji, as he was famously known, dedicated his life to freeing India from British rule. Unlike other leaders, Netaji believed in a more direct approach, calling for armed resistance to challenge the British Empire. Netaji was a visionary who understood that India needed both internal unity and external support to break free from colonial rule. In 1940s, he formed the Indian National Army (INA), made up of Indian soldiers to fight the British alongside Japan during World War II. His powerful slogan, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom," inspired thousands of Indians to join the cause. Bose's courage and leadership were unmatched, and his dedication to India's independence left a lasting impact on nation's history. He inspired generations of young people to fight for what they believe in and to never give up no matter the obstacles. Through his life was full of mystery, especially regarding his disappearance in 1945. His contributions to the independence movement remain undeniable. On Parakram Divas, we remember Subhash Chandra Bose not only for his sacrifices but for the indomitable spirit he instilled